Illinois is not the first state that you think of when you think of forest products, but some of the greatest white oak, walnut, cherry, maple comes from right here in this state. David Stine Furniture came to be because I grew up on a dairy farm right here in Jersey County, Illinois, and we did everything on the farm with our hands. That included forestry. We've been around for almost 30 years now, and we build custom furniture. We have about 500 acres of timber. Most of our wood comes from right here on our farm in Jersey County, Illinois. Some we get from neighbors in surrounding areas. You'll see a piece of lumber come off the log and you'll think to yourself, well, that's perfect for a headboard or that's perfect for a coffee table. A log will come into the log yard and then we'll saw it into lumber. It'll go in our drying shed to be initially dried outdoors for a year or two. And then it comes into the kiln and we do the finished kilning process to where it's ready to be made into furniture. Now each one of those slabs then gets marked with its dimensions and species and then photographed and put in our database so that if a client would call us and say we're looking for a black walnut table, maybe 10 feet long, we can give them a number of options just over the internet with photographs. I think one of the best things about being in business here in Illinois is great forests around here. We're very near the Mississippi River. We've got great dirt and great climate for growing amazing white oak and walnut and some of the best timber in the world. I get great feedback from customers. They love the idea that we're using local materials with local craftsmen to build something that they'll have in their family for a lifetime. So their idea, along with our sort of methodology, has led to a great product. Authenticity and integrity, that's what it means to be Illinois made, and those are the cornerstones of our business.